Hello everyone, this is Peter from Drive CNC. Now I will introduce our new product for channel letter. It have a special function for poaching and notching and flagging for Europe and America and Canada for channel letter. Now we test this material. We check the thickness. 测一下厚度。This is thickness for this aluminum. Okay, we try to process letter F for testing. About the fitting part, we use machinery fitting system. It is the most precision. About the slotting part, we use planer tools for cutting. It is more. The groove is smooth. And this part for poaching hole for connecting. About this machine, I need a mobile good. They're hot for it. Okay. 还有什么？他们拿那个在这里。这个有什么？ 走。Now we check material thickness. 1.6. 走到。